Okay guys, so the bags launch tomorrow at 6 p.m. on ktkbeauty.com. Make sure you guys check them out because they will sell fast. And thank you so much, boss friends, in advance. Use the code BAGS. That's only for my boss friends, so make sure you guys go check them out. We're actually in Vegas right now. I leave today, so I had to edit and get this up in real time. So make sure you guys go purchase. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time, boss friend. Bye.
Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down. Tell them what's good now, we gotta shut down. Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down.
Okay guys, so I've literally been waiting on this forever. I'll be tuned in with like my community posts and my Pretty and Paid page or my TikTok. Y'all would know that I am launching shipping bags. So I don't know what the official name will be for them because I'm gonna have a bunch of them. I don't know if I'm gonna call them business bags or shipping bags or bossy bags, I don't know. But anyways, they're finally here. I literally have been thinking about this for so long. I even recorded my little board that I had and I wrote, I wanted to make custom shipping bags for entrepreneurs. So I'm gonna try to insert that, but yeah, they finally arrived today and they are gonna launch. I think I'm gonna get on live after this and then like give them the link to purchase if they want to, because a lot of people have been messaging me because I've been showed everybody how they look and everything like that. So people have just been waiting and waiting and waiting, but I go on vacation next week. So I won't be able to launch them like early in the week. So I think I'm gonna go on live after this and then just like have a link available and then put a handful available for purchase on my website for people that join the live. So they don't officially launch until next Saturday. I get home that Thursday, so that Saturday they will launch and I'm so excited. I just needed more time to promote and I actually want to like get my hair done. So they're right here, so I'm going to go ahead and open them up. After this video, I'm actually going to place another order for them, so that way once they sell out, I already will have another shipment coming in. So for those of you that didn't get them, you know, the first round, you'll be able to get them the second round. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the box up. I'm so excited. Okay, it comes in this little box. So excited. So I'm going to show you guys how the pink one looks first. So cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is how it looks. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you have to press the sides in. And I will have different sizes available. This is more so, this is just like a standard tote size, but you know, I'm just starting out. This is my first one. So I know people were like, oh, you should do this size. You should do a bigger size. Like guys, I am. This is just the first one. So here is what it looks like. I started the businesses, Pretty and Paid. Pretty and Paid is my entrepreneurship brand, and then ktkbeauty.com is where you can purchase anything Pretty and Paid related. So eventually this year I will have my own website for Pretty and Paid, which I'm so excited. I want to put packages in here and show you guys how many can fit in here. And I just love it. I love that it's not too big. Of course I'm gonna have bigger ones, but this is just, you know, like I said, the first round, y'all, the first round. So this is how it looks. That's the pink one. Let's sit her right there. Then let's open the brown. So cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. I love it. This is the brown. I started the businesses. And then we got the pink. So I started the businesses. So cute. Make sure you guys head over to katikbeauty.com. And like I said, I will have bigger sizes, and I think I'm going to do even smaller sizes as well. Probably like some that's like, I'm probably going to do like some pouches or something like that. But this is going to be the standard size tote bag. And I'm going to show you guys, of course, how many orders you can fit in this one. Like, it's just cute to wear to, you know, promote your business, celebrate yourself for being an entrepreneur and starting the business. I think it's just really cute. You can have your business cards in here with some pens and a little pouch with your notebook, your planner, and you can use this as a laptop bag when you're going to, you know, your office, or if you're going to like a little coffee shop to work, school, whatever it is. I feel like these bags are so cute. I really love them. So cute. So I will have different colors, sizes, styles, all of that coming. So just be patient with me. And I'm sure you'll find something that you like. If you guys want different sizes or styles, different colors, I will eventually have way more to offer. So this is just the first launch, and I'm so excited because I'm so happy that I finally acted out on this idea that I've had for so long. But yeah, I'm so excited. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go live and also film some TikToks really quick. So I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm so sorry for, I'm so sorry for you. You're not able to go.